Hello folks, hope y'all are doing well today. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be showing you the next step in lemon trees. They made it through the winter, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be up potting them, putting them in bigger pots, and we're going to be putting them in the greenhouse. Dad's going to mix me up some dirt here. Let's get started.
Alrighty, put a little bit of perlite in here. That'll help make it a little bit more light and airy. Just going by eye, we're not. This is actually some Daddy Pete's raised bed mix. We're just screw just a second, Dan. Let me mix this together some here. Just wanting to incorporate it pretty good. Alrighty. He's going to have 6 of them. So here's the pots we're going up to. We got them today at Dollar Tree. A little bit bigger. Should help them out some. We've got some Miracle Grow fertilizer we'll put in there. And Dan, tell them what we're doing.
Alright, what we're going to do is put some dirt in the pot here. Where's your little cool bowl?
Cool it bowl. We fixed a couple drain holes in the bottom. We'll get them out here and show you just a second.
We left this in the solo cup here. I'll pull it out here and show you there. It got some roots.
Yeah, you see roots there.
See it, Mom? Yep. Alright, what we're going to do... Uh-oh. Well, dirt clump fell off. What we're going to do, just make a hole down in here. Just get it packed in there.
Alright. Now we'll water them real good. And that soil will actually expand. It's not plumb dry. It's been sitting out here in the bag, but as much rain as we've gotten, it's took on some moisture. Alrighty. I'll set this in here, Dan, get you another cup, and we'll start filling it up with pot.
Show that place.
Oh yeah. There you go, folks. Lemon tree. And show them that. I'm gonna be going up much of that. Just help him out a little bit here, folks. kissing in there. Folks. It's supposed to warm up a little bit now. Friday night it was 40 degrees. And then Saturday night it got down, well, when we woke up Sunday morning there, it was 38 degrees.
Got her thing up here.
Probably have to mix Daniel up a little bit more dirt here in a minute. There, you can see the roots on there, folks.
See it, Mom? There you go.
If you want to put a little bit more dirt in there, Dan, go ahead.
Yeah.
We're going to make some more up. We'll pull it up there to where it ain't plumb on the stalk. And then we'll mix that, or spoon some of that fertilizer in here a little bit. Alright, better. Yep. Go ahead, hold the man and pour some dirt. Just hold them 1 second, man. What we'll do.
Pour that dirt now.
Yep. Just take your. Alrighty. Lay that to the side. Pour that dirt in there. Now, if I need to make more, let's get this out here just a second. Like I said, folks, these little masonry tubs you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot, they are handy for your soil. I'll need to make up some for Carolyn for tomorrow. She's going to pot sow her flowers.
Alrighty folks, we got them all up potted, put them in the bigger pots. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe, leave us a comment, share with your friends. Y'all have a great day. Thank you again for watching.
Thank you guys. Y'all are great.